VHS tape pa. Classic.
Mrs. Flo-
Holy fudge. What's up everyone, good evening. No Reason here once again, and tonight, sobrang excited ako sa video natin dahil ngayon, ang episode na manonood at magre-react na naman tayo sa dalawang short horror film. Sobrang gustong gusto ko ng mga short horror film dahil unang-una, walang halong fillers, walang bullshit, straight to the point yung storya, maikli pero siksik, nakakatakot at sulit. So dalawang storya ang papanoorin natin ngayon from Spencer Keller pa rin, and again, I am not claiming these videos, we're just reacting and watching to this. So kung gusto nyo pang manood ng maraming short horror film from Spencer Keller himself, might as well visit or subscribe to his channel. So parehas ko pa itong hindi na mapanood, so usually, of course, blind reaction ang gagawin natin dito. So kung handa na kayo, patayin nyo ng ilaw, lakasan ng volume, at simulan na natin. Let's go! Alright guys, night visit.
Yeah, her name's Heather Feldman. Neighbor called in. They haven't seen her for a month or so.
Police! Hello? Police!
Ang creepy nung kanta. Akala ko yung parang sa Insidious na, you know what I mean guys, yung tinutukoy kong kanta sa Insidious na creepy. Sobrang effective pag ganito yung mga kantang ginagamit nila sa mga horror.
Your pretty smile will always linger on, though you are many miles away.
Mrs. Feldman?
VHS tape pa. Classic.
Mrs. Flo-
Holy fudge. Parang, ano nangyari sa kanya? Parang hinipnotize ba siya? Parang pinatulog? Parang gano'n yung nangyari, no? Yo! Yo! What is going on? Now I'm confused. Okay, now I'm confused. Iba yung lalaki at babae dun sa video. Pero iba rin tong babae at iba din tong police officer. Kasi obviously hindi si police officer yung nasa video na napanood niya. Now I'm getting quite confused.
Long day? What do you want to watch?
Whatever you want to watch, babe.
The Russian blockade of the Black Sea has made it impossible for Ukraine to
The
deliver.
readings are shifting around so much I can't make heads or tails of what's out there.
Captain, this is 7 of 9. Please report to Astrometrics at once.
I need an explanation about that video. Pero tignan natin. Hindi pa naman tapos.
Phil?
Holy
Babe, what are you doing? Babe, what are you doing?
Oh. Bakit? Okay, that's it for the night for the night visit. Medyo nalito ako doon or hindi ko lang na-gets. Ewan ko guys. Parang nag-inspect siya doon sa bahay ng matanda. Obviously matanda yung bahay na pinuntahan niya nung una, tapos may nakita siyang pinanood siya ng tape. Ewan ko. Just doesn't fit. Hindi ko alam kasi iba yung tao dun sa pinanood nilang video. Pero panoorin natin yung second horror film which from Spencer Keller pala, entitled Blood Debt. So kung alam niyo yung explanation dun sa unang film, please do comment below. Pero kung sa totoo lang hindi ko gets, hindi ko alam kung I'm just stupid or bobo, but yeah, hindi ko talaga na gets to. Pero panoorin na natin yung Blood Debt. Let's go. Alright, Blood Debt.
Forest.
Okay guys, this is from Spencer Keller pa rin.
I'm in the
So,
East Ridge Forest. Used to go camping here when I was young.
Good. House.
My brother Jordan's place. Fire's nice. He's inside, probably getting us drinks.
Gun.
I'm at the range with my dad. We used to go here all the time.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. Girl.
Put her down! I said put her down! Let her go!
oh, baril niya yung anak niya.
John.
Intro pa lang pala. Blood that man.
Hello?
Hey, Elise. How's it going?
Okay. How about you?
About the same. So, am I good to come over and pick up Noah in a few?
It's Thursday.
I'm sorry, I must have got my days mixed up. How's he doing?
John,
Yeah?
is everything okay?
I just don't like being here alone is all.
How's the treatment been?
Fine, it's going fine.
Seeing Noah isn't going to make it any better.
What's that supposed to mean?
It's not supposed to mean anything. It's just, you need time, and
I'm doing fine, Lise. I can manage myself.
I just think when you see him, you see her. I understand your pain, but it's not healthy.
Just put him on the phone, Lisa.
When you see him, you see her. So, they're talking to a specific boy, I believe. So, siguro yung babae dun sa umpisa patay na, I believe.
Please.
Daddy? I'm scared.
Oh no.
It's okay. I'm right here.
Somebody's following me.
What? Honey?
So, it's either panaginip to or buhay pa yung babae. Pero I believe patay na yung babae. This is just a dream. I believe, obviously, multo na to ng babae.
Daddy? Help me.
Oh.
What's going on, honey?
What's going on? Patay na yung... Oh.
it's not
Somebody's
healthy.
following me.
Just think. When you see
Somebody's
him,
following
you see
me.
her. I understand your pain, but it's not healthy.
Somebody's following me.
See him, you see her.
Somebody's
I
following me.
understand your pain.
Oh. Medyo mas parang nagustuhan ko yung pangalawang storya. Pero ang weird pa rin, hindi ko pa rin na-gets. So kung na-gets nyo yung pangalawang storya, kung anong ibig sabihin, comment lang kayo guys. Pero parehas naman ako natawa sa short horror story. Pero yan, that's about it. Alright guys, no reason here. Grabe, parehong kakaiba yung atake at style ng dalawang short horror film. Tapos pareho din silang nag-iwan ng kakaibang feeling. Feeling, pakiramdam pagkatapos panoorin. Confusion, parang you're wanting more. Parang gusto mo pa mag-dive deep din sa story. Pero kayo, guys, ano mas pipiliin nyo sa dalawa? Or na-gets nyo ba yung point ng dalawang story? Please comment down below para magkaroon tayo ng engagement. And kung may gusto pa kayong horror short film na i-react natin or para mga videos na gusto nyo i-react, anything about horror, comment nyo lang sa baba para i-react natin yan. And again, kung nag-enjoy kayo doon, huwag nyo kakalimutang mag-sub, mag-like, and hit that notification bell. No reason here once again. See you in the next nightmare.